Ever wondered why yawns are so contagious? Here's what actually happens. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors it thanks to mirror neurons and empathy circuits. It's a social reflex that helps groups sync up, whether someone is sleepy or needs to cool down. This reflex is stronger with people you're close to, showing social bonding, not rudeness. Fun fact, yawning may even help cool your brain and boost alertness. So next time someone yawns, don't worry, you're just wired for connection. Follow random ass facts for wild science.